How to buy crypto on Coinbase Wallet. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can buy crypto on Coinbase Wallet. Now, the process itself is actually quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. First, you want to open up your Coinbase Wallet and you should get an interface of somewhat like this once it's open up. Now here you can see sign up or sign in option. You want to simply sign into your account. Now, I won't be signing into the account, but at the homepage you'll get a transfer tab at the bottom of the screen, the arrow icon. You can simply tap on it on the transfer tab, and once you tap on it you'll get the buy and sell option. You can simply tap on buy option. Now you can see the buy icon will look somewhat like this. Once you tap on buy, it'll ask you to select a particular crypto that you wish to buy and enter in your details, your payment details and such. If you have already added fund to your wallet, it'll be simple and easy, so go ahead with payment and you'll be good to go. So this way you can buy crypto on Coinbase Wallet. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.